Hello, hey, I'm Abhijit. Welcome to the demo of Migratly. So this is our product. If you see here, we have the different migration that we have run previously. This is our entry dashboard, and here you can see the mappings, credentials, agent, marketplace. If you want to add new connectors, then user, and then admin. Yeah. So all these things that in here. So now I'll give you a demo about like one of our migration, how the migration functions. So let me tell you about like there is a two. So today we'll talk about the Jira to linear migration. I'll just start with the migration now. So we'll trying to migrate from Jira to linear. If you see, this is our Jira instance. It has everything like sprint, active sprint, whatever the active sprint currently having, backlog, then epics, and epics might have also have the labels, who has been assigned to, and then attachments and anything. That whatever that we have currently in the Jira, that we have tried to create everything here. And now we are trying to migrate this to the linear. So linear, you see there is no team currently. We just have a single team. So now let's start the migration. So I'll just select these two. Then these are the agents that actually runs. I'll just start this quickly. Then I'll say like demo Jira to linear migration. Credentials are auto selected. Create migration. I'll just do it quickly. Then first of all we need to fetch the users. So for Abhijit, who is going to map with the aviator, this is actually this user that's been created in the Jira. So I'll create this. So mostly this project has been created by Nitish. So yeah, cool. Now let's start with the generate plan. So we started the generate plan. So I'll just pause it here quick for a while because generate plan will take a few minutes. So currently it's like 2:57. Let's wait for now. Cool. Now within 3 minutes we are able to create the mapping, end-to-end mapping of our product, like these two products, Jira and Linear. So if you see here, like each product, the issue is will be matched to the issue. Then subtask is mapped to the issue again. Epic is mapped to the project. So here in Jira we call Epic. In Linear it's called project. Then project is mapped to the team, like that. So sprint is mapped to the cycle. So these are the different things that we have mapped, and we see like how this is like how this field's been mapped and everything. So it seems like we have like close to mapping. We have done the mapping. I'll just say okay, I'm just fine. Like we have, they are able to, the agent is able to find 122 fields, 125 fields across 13 entities, and then it's saying like 29 fields need attention. So 29 means like 27 has been dropped and 2 has a workaround. So I'll say for now most of the drop fields seems like the ID. So there is like a 29 or 13 entries. So around 13 of that, 13 to 14 out of it is just same one. Like if I select this use internal lookup, determine the parent linear project. So there might be something like those keys are might even not required for in the linear project. So they're just skipping it. So I'll say okay. I'll just approve it. For now, I say okay. Mapping and review. So this is what we see. So there is like this is the mapping that we found, and we have already managed it. And this is a dependency tree. So dependency tree is like which entity should created first, and then and depend on that we'll go for the other dependencies. Like say we need, like for creating the label we need user and project. For the components also same. So we are sort of doing like this only. So okay, now I'll just quickly start migrating. And for now, this is like there is a debug agent as well. So what the debug agent do, they will just monitor while we are migrating anything at the runtime. It's not continuously monitoring it, but just taking some sample data and randomizing and checking if there is some failing or anything, and then give the feedback back to the other agents so that they can improve themselves. So yeah, but for now I'll just skipping that, and I'll start migration. So credentials are already came, and we also need to give the project name here. So one thing that this UI is specific for the Jira and Linear, but it will be changed if we need like few more inputs as well. So it's just like flexible one, like so it's a template that's associated with the particular migrations. So that's fine. Let's start the migration. Now I'm starting the migration. Let's hope it will start. uh, yeah, it started now. So currently it's 3:03. Let's now I'm just pausing it. So because I don't want, like, yeah, Helios already started creating. Now it will take some time to get it done. So it's what it do is, like, the first level has been created. So level 0 has been created. So users and everything would be available here, but rest of the things will take some time with the, yeah. So yeah, the first level was like the project, and then, like, it's currently creating the project. So user has been created and the project has been started to create the project. So if you have noticed that the users also mapped here, so with the project, so Nitish has created this complete project. Now here also his name is coming. But yeah, so the key only we are using from creating the issues from this Nitish project only. So we are using the API key of Nitish. So, like, while we are creating the new issues as well, the creator would be Nitish only. But yeah, that's fine. Like, we cannot do anything, but the assignment would be like the way we wanted to. Yeah. So now I'll just pause it and then we'll wait for the complete migration. So I'm unpausing for a while. So we are started adding the new issues now. So if you see here in Migratly, you started, like, we are like level 2 issues been started adding here. So level get also checked till error level is checked, and then started forwarding it. So yeah, so currently we are started getting the issues here. It's getting added. Like, if you see, like, there was 11, now it's become 14. Also labels was the, like, second level where it has added, so it's already been here now. Also the project association also been coming. But yeah, there is few things that's currently been doing. So level also coming, assignment is also coming, the cycle, which cycle it falls into, and everything. So we'll start seeing everything. Like, reporter was, like, here it was reporter was aviator, now it's become Nitish. So yeah, so this is overall thing that we are able to achieve with our migration. So again, so also I just wanted to show you the sprints as well. So sprints are also coming. So here actually with the linear, the older sprints getting removed. On inactive sprint are not coming here. This is like a problem from the linear, not the problem, but they are not providing any API that we can use it here. So for now we're just skipping that. But yeah, so if you see, like, the current tasks and everything, we are also seeing everything now. I don't think so, like, anything that we needed been pending. So let's wait for a while. I think by next 5 or 10 minutes, yeah, we are already done. Like, we are within a couple of minutes we are done. Sorry, not 5 or 10 minutes, within a couple of minutes we are already having everything. So let's see what exactly started migrating now. We're still adding the issues only. So once this has been done, then we are sort of done. Like, now it's just adding the issues that are to do. Let's see. I hope it will be completed within next few minutes. Not even few minutes. I think we are just close to completing it now. Yeah, so a lot of done tasks here. 33. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Now we are done with the issues. Now we started moving the attachments. This is the next step where we are moving the attachments now, and once this has been done, then we are done. So I think let's wait for a few minutes now. I hope I have some example ready for the attachments. Yeah, it has this already been added here. Cool. Yeah, perfect. You see, want to, I'm just closing it here now, because this will give you overall big picture now. Like, everything is been here for the linear. So this is what we have able to achieve with our platform. This is one of the example. Now we can migrate anything that we want to do. Good. Thank you.